At
love it.
syempre, let's now welcome our next group, Gen 6. Gen 6 celebrated their first anniversary with a grand solo concert on October 25 at the Music Museum, making a major milestone in their journey.
United by their passion for music and performance, Gen 6 delivers a powerful blend of sharp choreography, dynamic vocals, and authentic stage presence. I like what they're wearing, no? They're wearing white. Very pure.
Oo, kasi normally talaga ng mga naka-black.
Ayan! At
Ayun.
ngayon nga kasama natin ang Gen 6! Hello, guys!
Good evening! So, this is a history here in Benga Plus because this is our first ever BP Showcase Award. So,
Kumusta naman?
yes.
How are you
how's the
guys feeling?
experience?
Ayan, sobrang excited po kami since this is the first time din sa award show. First time po namin umattend ng award show. And yun, sobrang excited po and we feel honored.
I remember, alam mo din, parang nung nag-ano sila, akong host.
Yes.
Tama, ako yung host nung nag-perform sila dito. Way back, oh my God. So how are you guys doing naman po after your showcase here at Bingo Plus?
Yun po, syempre po,